Here's a little tidbit. If your bolt comes out of the boot and your buckle, when you go to put it on, if it just spins and spins and spins. So if that is stripped, there's an insert, a metal insert in there that we put in, and then we tap it. Well, sometimes that gets stripped out or breaks, or whatever happens. They make these inserts. You can get them online, or you can get one at Lowe's. The bolt size is 6/32. That's a 6/32 screw that we use. You might have to sand a little bit of the height off of this way, but drill the hole, put it in, see if you need to. 1/8 inch drill bit. Find out, go right next to where the hole would be, or where the bolt is. Keep your hands away. Right there. Now sometimes you might have to wallow it out a little bit like that. Not too much. Make sure there's nothing in there, including your foot or your hands or fingers or anything. You will cause problems, and you don't want to do that. So take this. You can dab a little bit of glue on it if you want, just to make it stick. And then reach your fingers in there. Feel around. It's right there. Pop it through. So as you see, that's a little bit long. So you would have to sand a little bit of that off. Or you can just put a washer there. That's up to you. This one over here, I've already sanded it down. Put that right in there. That's the old hole stripped. That's the new one. And then you can just screw it right in, and you should be good to go. A little bit of glue on the back side of that, it will kind of hold it, but and good as new.